Train with a thunderstorm in Folkestone right now.
6322, approach. 252, 2 east of.
Train's coming in on the bottom. Right there.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 253.1. Track 2, no defects. Norfolk Southern, milepost 253.1. Track 2, no defects.
Sorry about that, guys. There's a thunderstorm right now in Folkestone. You can't really see it, but right before the gates activated, there's a really big lightning strike in the background off the main street, which reflected on the lodge cam in the lower left-hand corner. We got action in Carson. Bright lights, train coming. I'm using a different kind of, I'm using screen capture today, so we got some action. So we don't have to make this a real mini part one. Yeah. We got a slow moving train in Carson. And a slow moving train in Folkestone right now. And if you can see where the mouse is right there, we got a green signal in Roanoke, Virginia, so we got a train coming in there. And look at that light engine movement in Carson, Pennsylvania. That must have, I cannot believe that the detector went off. I don't think that's what the detector was going off, but it might have been, I don't know. That kind of took the fun out of this. And that CSX train is still going on. Here, I'm going to pull this up. This is what it's doing right now in Folkestone, Georgia. It's going to block out the train temporarily, but currently in Folkestone it is thunderstorming. Oh shoot, what happened? Oh, the train's ended. How long has it been since I've done the train thing? I think it's New Year's. How should I know? Who knows? We good? Gates going up. And gate lights out. Traffic moving. Super Duckman 24 is out. Actually, that's not what I want to do.